Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to my YouTube channel, Global Healthy Living. In this video, I'm going to talk about a sexually transmitted disease called chlamydia. Chlamydia is one of the most common sexually transmitted disease. It is spread unknowingly because a person who has this kind of infection may not get symptoms, and that means they may not know that they have the infection. But uh, in as much as it doesn't show symptoms often, but it has symptoms and it shows in some people. Women and men have different symptoms, and the kind of symptoms women experience, for example, if a woman is infected with chlamydia, they tend to have abnormal discharge that have an odor. So if you are a woman and you have been sexually active and you experience an abnormal vaginal discharge that smells bad, please go for a test. You may have chlamydia. Secondly is bleeding between periods. If you bleed between periods, please go for a checkup. In my previous videos, I talked about gynecological cancers, and I told you one of the symptoms of gynecological cancer is bleeding between periods. And I also told you that some other infections also cause bleeding between periods. So one of these infections is chlamydia. Another symptom of chlamydia is painful periods. Please, women out there, if you experience painful periods and you've been sexually active, please go for a test. It may be due to chlamydia. Another symptom is abdominal pain and fever. Please, if you have that, go for a test. Also, itching or burning in or around vagina may be also a symptom of chlamydia. Last but not least is pain when urinating. Please, women, if you've been sexually active and you begin to experience pain while urinating, don't sit home, go for a test. So the symptoms for men are, number one, small amounts of discharge or clouded discharge from the tip of the penis. If you're a man and you have that and you've been sexually active, please go for a checkup. It may be an infection called chlamydia. The second symptom is painful urination. If you have that and you've been sexually active, go for a test. So another symptom of chlamydia in men is burning and itching around the opening of the penis. If you start feeling that burning and itching, please go for a test. It may be because of chlamydia. Another symptom is pain and swelling around the testicles. If you get that and you've been sexually active, please go for a test so that they detect chlamydia in time and you get treatment. So, what happens if chlamydia is not treated? In women, if chlamydia is not treated, it causes pelvic inflammatory disease, which can lead to the damage of the fallopian tubes. So please check yourself so that you get treatment in time. Another thing which happens if chlamydia is left untreated in women is that it increases the risk of ectopic pregnancy. Ectopic pregnancy is when the fertilized egg implants and develop outside the uterus. So please go for a test so that you don't get such a problem. Another issue, another problem that happens if chlamydia is not treated in women is that a woman who is pregnant experiences premature birth, and this is not good. And if they succeed giving birth to a child, the child may have eye infections, and then which can lead to the child to be blind. Remember, chlamydia can be passed on from a mother to the unborn child or to the newborn child. In men, if chlamydia is left untreated, it causes an infection of the urethra. It also causes an infection of the tube that carries a sperm away from the testes. And it also causes an inflammation of the rectum. So please, if you have symptoms of chlamydia that I've mentioned, don't just sit home, go for a test and then get proper treatment. How can we prevent chlamydia? Simple routines. Use condoms correctly whenever you have sex. And please limit the number of sex partners you have. Don't jump from one woman to another or from one man to another. Please limit the sex partners you have so that you don't contract a chlamydia infection. Also, abstain from sex. Sex is not food. Sex is not oxygen. You can live without it. So please, don't just have sex because you think it's fun. Abstain from sex and then you reduce contracting chlamydia. Last but not least is if you think you are infected with chlamydia, avoid sex contact with others. Please avoid, because if you don't avoid, you will spread the infection to other people. So, because chlamydia often occurs without symptoms, people who are infected, like I said in the beginning, unknowingly infect their sex partners. So all people who have more than one sex partner, please be tested. Chlamydia is dangerous, even though in some people it doesn't show signs, but it is really dangerous if it stays in the body and is left untreated. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video, comment, like, and please share with your friends. Thank you.